Join me as I take this piece of digital clay and turn it into this finished sculpture today on Ninja Pixel. Yeah, that's good. That's good. I can deal with that. What's up? My name is Chris, and welcome to the first episode of Ninja Pixel. Today, I'm going to be walking you through my digital sculpture, Dragon's Domain. Now, my hope with this is that you walk away inspired, or at the very least, know exactly what you don't want to do, as I'm probably going to up a ton. So with that in mind, let's get rolling. The modeling process starts with the cube primitive. Nothing fancy here. A little bit of insetting, a little bit of scaling, a little upward translation on our old friend Zed, and we're moving. The rooftops are pretty simple as well, starting with a flat plane, insetting its top face, adding a sub-D modifier to give us that sweet geometry, and translating downward. And since we're not in Minecraft, make sure to check the proportional editing box first. The detail on the roofs is also nothing to write home about. A cylinder primitive, stuffed into an array, wrapped in an enigma. M. Night Shyamalan couldn't have done it better. A little hack for the shingles, I created a displacement map with ChatGPT and applied it with the displace modifier. The windows and doors are done with Boolean cuts. If you value your time or the love of your family, you'll use Box Cutter for this and actually show up for Christmas this year. For the dragon itself, it's nothing terribly intellectual either. It's a sphere you push around with the grab tool, a lot. When the major form is done, enter the biggest cheat code of them all, using Dragon Scale Alpha Channel brushes I got from Blender Market. For the weathering on the foundation, I'm using the aftermarket plugins OCD and Cracker. And yes, those are both conditions I have. At this point, I'm ready to set the model up for printing. I'm using Cheeto Box, which I think highly of, save for the fact that they didn't call it Cheeto Box, which seems like a missed opportunity. So I'm about to pull this first print of this latest series. So let's take a look. This is one half of the mountain, and we'll see how we did. All right, folks, it's that special time again where we pass on the nuggets of wisdom and morsels of insight to help guide you through the treacherous thing called life. This is what I call life advice. Life advice! Throughout the progression of this model, I've encountered numerous obstacles and challenges, and it's caused me to reflect upon the old adage, when the going gets tough. When the going gets tough, quit. And move on to something where you have agency and effect, like playing Call of Duty or making a sandwich. That's life advice for this week, folks. Now back to our show. Okay, so the model is fully assembled, but there's definitely some cracks that I want to fill in. The way that I'm going to do that is I'm using epoxy sculpt clay. This is a 2-part method. You just mix them together and go to work. So excited to see how this works out. We're going to fill in those cracks, and then I think we're going to be off to painting. I've made a dragon sculpture. Yeah, why do we make what we make? I wanted to show how you could take your own idea through the sculpture process and bring it through the printing process and bring it through the fabrication process and actually have an end result and create a pipeline or a workflow. Hopefully you liked what you saw, and if you did, please hit the subscribe button. The channel is called Ninja Pixel. That could mean a lot of things. It's going to be art focused. We'll see where that goes. We'll go on that journey together. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. We'll catch you soon.